some sort of knife. I don't know what sort of occultism, romanticism. You put death on your face. Are you well? Do you have leprosy? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. um you don't have good friends. You really don't, because you don't listen to the story. Pay attention, pay close attention. This girl works into the bus, yeah, and I know this girl. I met her at a photo shoot or something, so that's how we know her. Acquaintances, I would call her, you know. She walked into the bus, and she walked into the bus with her friend who's behind her. Like, in all my existence, and I know there's plenty of videos here on YouTube about this kind of eyebrow and that kind of eyebrow and this eyebrow and that eyebrow, but to really encounter, to really, yo, I wish I could. I don't even have like eyeliner pencils. But the girl's friend, the one I knew's friend, her eyebrows were. Have you watched Dragon Ball Z? You know when you're younger, Dragon Ball Z, Pokemon. You shouldn't watch it now because it's not good for you. There's ulterior motives. But you know Dragon Ball Z, those kind of, you know how the eyebrows be like king, zing. Her eyebrow was literally pi, and it went all the way up to like here, yo. It went up. And they were black, jet black, and just like thick here, and then it got smaller, as if some sort of knife. I don't know what sort of occultism, romanticism, occultism she's part of, but it was serious. It was really bad. Like, you know that moment when you feel bad for someone? I felt embarrassed for her. I really felt embarrassed for her, and I'm like, she's walking around all day looking like that. Her outfit was cute though. She had a nice little outfit going on, you know. She had a nice little jacket, nice little bag. But her eyebrows, it's not by force. Contouring and highlighting is not by force. I've seen some dangerous situations. As if you put death on your face. Are you well? Do you have leprosy? Do you have leprosy? And I looked at my friend beside me and I said, she doesn't have good friends. She doesn't have, your friend will tell you. How can you walk up? Nah, unless you got issues. Unless you got issues and you, then it's not your friend if you're trying to look better than someone for the sake of it. So you're gonna walk around with someone with really jacked up eyebrows just so that you look better. Really? No, you don't have good friends. I had to like say a prayer for life and say a prayer for friendship, and I just felt bad. I'm like, no, don't do it, man. Girls, people, not every trend must be a followed one. Not every trend that comes past you need to jump onto. It's not by force. It really isn't. The contouring and the highlighting and the strobing and the master lotion, you don't need to do anything. It's not by force. Like when the skinny jeans trend came along, I jumped onto it because I can see skinny jeans. But you may not have the right body composition, body stereotype to fulfill the skinny jeans. There's no, you don't have to do it. I've seen some contours on the nose. I'm sure you're meant to blend. I'm sure you're meant to blend it. I don't need to see brown here. For what reason? Is it a funeral? Travel marks. We started doing travel marks now, eh? Congratulations. Glory be to God. That's why I thank God for your life. No, but seriously, all this boils down to having good friends or having just friends. You know, you can always tell the truth. I guess I'm one of those people that kind of, I may not tell you, or maybe you know what it is, I'll put it in a jokingly way. But the thing about life is you can always tell the truth. And if that's your friend and you can see, this is my friend. She's just killing the natural hair movement for everybody. You know who you are. And once I saw her, I'm like, yo, you need to get your hair checked out. You're killing it for the whole natural hair movement because you're just disgracing us right now. I did it in a jokingly way. There was still like an undertone of seriousness in it, but you can always tell the truth by just how you deliver it. If you see your friend and she's had like a weave in for 600 years, you're like, yo, you really need to take your weave out. Like, are you okay? That's a bit rude, you know. She might get offended. You can go, your hair's been in for a while, you know. You should probably switch it up a bit. It's, you know, there's always a way to tell the truth, but the delivery, I guess, is what makes it, is what touches the heartstring of the person. But yeah. I just felt bad for the girl, and I thought to myself, and I couldn't tell her because it wasn't my place. It wasn't my place. I didn't know her. I didn't know her from 1 and 2. I didn't know her from Adam and Eve. I didn't know her like that, so I couldn't even tell her. That's why me, I only have one friend. My father in heaven. You really need natural lighting to do your makeup, so go to your bathroom or something and make sure that everything has blended correctly, you know. It's better to all blend than not blend at all. So just blend to your neck, to your shoulders, even your hands. Sometimes you need to blend everywhere, you know. Blend it like Beckham. No, I've seen some contours that just made me want to vomit. And I wanted to tell the girl so bad. Not the eyebrow one, this other one. She had a contour, but I feel like I was just gonna spoil her whole day, you know. I don't know. Sometimes people don't need to know at the start of the day, maybe at the end of the day. Nah, I just contradicted myself. No, but honestly, be a good friend to someone, man. Be a good friend and tell them the truth about something that you can tell that it's like, yo, that's not a good thing. Especially nowadays with all these makeup trends, people are just jumping on things. You don't have the expertise. You're not Destiny Godly. Hi, Destiny. You're not Jackie. Hi, Dan. You're not Love of Fashion. Hi. You're not Jamaican makeup artist. Hi. You're not those people, you know. So don't try and push it. Small by small. We all started small lipstick, small eyeliner, a little bit of blush here, a little bit of contour here. It's not one day that you start doing whoa, and at the end of the day you become that person that you've always wanted to become because of the person you wanted to become. Does that make sense? Yeah, me too. It doesn't. We all should be looking fabulous, fantabulous, you know. Fine girls working together, not just you looking fine then the rest looking like, you know, ice water. Under the cocoa tree, hey.